Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today I'm excited to be bringing you this video. We are going to use 10 minutes to make plantain flour. Yes, that includes the drying process. We are not going to use any oven or dehydrator or make use of the sunlight. So stay with me and let's see how I did it. So I'll start by washing my unripe plantains or green plantains. So what I usually do is to wash the peel first before peeling, so I do not have to wash the plantain itself. That's because I'll be drying it and I don't want any extra moisture on the plantain. How plantain is peeled differs from each country, so you can also make use of the chopping board if you're not comfortable with cutting it in your palm. If today is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. This is my kitchen. You're welcome to subscribe, turn the notification bell on, and join this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch me. When my plantains are nicely peeled, I'm going to go ahead and use my grater to grate my plantain. So whatever brand of grater you have, or whatever type rather of grater you have, just use it. Or you can use a knife to make sure you are thinly slicing the plantains. It's going to help to dry it quicker. Yes, the thinner the plantain slices, the better. When using a grater, be careful with your fingers as well, okay? Now my plantains are nicely grated. I'm going to go ahead and spread them on the plate. So the plate I'm using is microwave safe. So that's the revelation right there. We are going to be using the microwave to dry or dehydrate the plantains. So make sure you are spreading your plantain slices onto your plate properly. Make sure as much as possible that one is not overlapping the other, because you want this to dry very quickly. So of course, because we are using a microwave, the space is not too big in there. So you can do this in batches. I know if you're going to be doing this in batches and you're looking forward to getting maybe like 3 cups of plantain flour, it may take a while. I acknowledge that. But do you want to dehydrate your plantain for 8 hours in the dehydrator, or maybe 3 hours in the oven, or maybe 24 hours under the sun? I'm sure you take an hour to all those other methods I mentioned. So I'm going to be dehydrating or drying for 5 minutes. First, I do 2 minutes, and then this is the outcome. It's looking good already. I'm going to go ahead and sort of like flip the plantain slices and then send it back into the microwave for another 2 minutes. And note that your microwave should be high power. And of course, all microwaves are different, so make sure you know how to use yours properly. If not, consult the manual and then use it accordingly. So this is the second time after 2 minutes. It's looking pretty dry already. It will go back in there for an extra minute, making 5 minutes. And then when my plantain is out, it is dry. Did you hear that? Isn't that exciting? So I'd made some batches previously, so I combined everything and then went ahead to get my dry mill blender out and then blended to a fine mixture, what we are going to be calling the plantain flour. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this revelation of a video. Please try it and give me feedback, okay? Please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share the video when you're done watching. And until we meet again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.